Greetings everyone and welcome to Las Vegas as I'm traveling. I am in love with the technology which is so cost effective, not even really overly AI focused, but there's ways to integrate that with very simply Notion. So why Notion is a power tool for actually AI era family office. Most single family offices are still stuck in legacy software that was built for administration, not intelligence. That's where Notion changes the game. Let me break it down. Here's how Notion, when customized properly, that is going to be the key. Okay, you may need a techie with Skittles and caffeine over a 3-day weekend. Honestly, that's really it. This can help really become a modern family office, do more with less, better and faster, operate with clarity, speed, and adaptability from execution to governance. So a couple of things I'll point out with Notion. One, centralized intelligence hub, kind of your living family office playbook. Think of this as your command center, a real-time searchable knowledge base, standard operating procedures, investment frameworks, governance policies, all documented and in one place. Legacy insights from the principals, no problem, captured before they vanish. Wisdom passed from executive to executive, from rising to the rising generation in a modern format that the younger ones will actually understand. Check the box. This is where your institutional memory and knowledge evolves. So I would also look at it as a dynamic, and this is going to take some higher level customization, but dynamic investment and deal flow tracker. Notion replaces the spreadsheet sprawl, as I call it. Track private equity, venture, secondaries, real assets, deal by deal. Link notes, contact history, due diligence, memos, follow-ups, all in one view. One view, this is incredible. Add formulas for IRR, projections, capital calls, liquidity timelines. Man, this program is so good, with again, some customization. Use tags for co-investor visibility, stage of interest or risk profile. I mean, this really isn't just tracking, it's execution ready. And it's just so cheap, I guess, I don't know, consultants or the community is just not offering it to you. So visual operating framework, a HoldCo, family office, private trust company, trust maps. What clarity? Do you want clarity on your entire architecture? Well, now you have it. Visual, imagine being able to visualize verticals, that's the word I was looking for, entities, performance data, and even board responsibilities. Monitor compliance milestones in real time. Attach notes, financials, legal docs at every node in the structure. You could even do from trust deeds, I would say, to tax notes. It's all there and it's interconnected. Again, you have to customize it and it's just, again, it's not that hard, not that much cost and expense. So how about this as well? AI native decision support. This is where Notion really starts thinking with you. Summarize a 40-page strategy doc in seconds. Now, that requires some level of implementation, which is easy of AI and AI agents, but no problem. We can handle that easily. Pull key points from family meetings or compare competing investments. Use AI prompts to generate decision trees, investment committee ready briefs or SWATs. Feed deal memos into AI agents and extract investment committee questions. This is just so incredible. In a world of too much noise, including here on the Strip in Vegas, this gives you a signal. So what else would I point out? Strategic project management system. Family offices don't just allocate. I hope not. They build, don't they? Whether you're launching, even within your family office, a private trust company, which is why I'm going to Wyoming to review that and hopefully move forward, moving offshore, deploying into AI infrastructure. You can map this all inside Notion. Assign team roles. You wouldn't be surprised how important that is. Deadlines and milestones. Like I said before, link legal docs, workflows, and capital flow maps directly, step by step. Add internal comments to preserve rationale in every move. This really is a systems builder, all in one very simple, quote unquote, the program is Notion. It's so easy. You don't need more staff. You probably don't even need more systems. That creates bureaucracy. You need better systems. So how about as well, I'm not even done with the incredible notion, NextGen onboarding and education, your family university modernized, investing 101 you can talk about, trust architecture, macro risk, AI governance, personalized learning paths, curated articles, mentor notes. Invite NextGen to comment, contribute, and ask questions, and share it selectively or with everyone in the family or as part of the team. Turn one-way lectures into kind of two-way, high-trust engagements. You're not just training heirs. That's not going to work. Long-term, that's been proven. You're really building leaders. So where it's really going to be good at, and this is more important than it sounds, CRM. Kind of CRM-style content or contact management and deal memory. Every touch point, every conversation, searchable and structured. You need to have a level of structure in your family office. You need to know who's talking to who, what the goals are, and what progress they're making on it. Track family members, LPs, co-investors, service providers. Tag relationships by category, region, interest level, or allocation. Whew, this is a long one. Link contacts directly to deal memos, meetings, or share documents. Log in calls, notes, feedback, loops, and follow-ups. I think I'm going to need more caffeine soon. This becomes your family office's intelligence network, not just a Rolodex. Well, I thought I was done. We're getting close. But how about a meeting hub and decision log? Capture why you made a decision. Do you write that down and track it? How do you think? How are you processing information? Are you a first principles thinker? How could you get better at decisions? Templated pages for team calls, investment committee, board meetings, family councils, add meeting summaries, action items, dissenting views. Use timelines and calendars to view what's upcoming and what's overdue. I mean, if you're not using Notion, like, what's wrong with you? Like family offices, you gotta get better. You gotta be great. If you're not gonna be great, really, why have a single family office? You need to preserve decisions or decision logic over time. So context is never lost. This creates for your family and your family office clarity, trust, and continuity. I would almost use it as well as an internal wiki and talent dashboard. Streamline onboarding, train new employees, reduce management drag. Job descriptions, performance reviews, compensation plans, back to SOPs, standard operating procedures for software, compliance, vendors, onboarding. If someone in your family office goes down, does someone else know how to pick it up and do just as good? And you also want to empower high performers with self-serve clarity. Every minute your team spends asking for info is really lost momentum. You also get seamless integration with legacy and modern tools. Actually, Notion plays very well with others. It can connect to things like Slack, Google Drive, Airtable, Zapier, although that's becoming a little less valuable in the world of AI agents. Everything is getting easier and more integrated, I promise. Use Notion as an interface layer for those legacy systems if you want, that you're not ready to replace yet, although likely you should. Train AI agents, that's what you should be doing, to read, write to Notion, create autonomous workflows, alerts, summaries, and even responses. I go back to, again, this is incredible. Do more with less, better, and faster. Don't duct tape your tools together. You're operating now from a unified source of truth. Notion isn't just, is that what you were told, some fancy note-taking app? It's completely customizable, which takes a little bit of skill. Again, I've used people, machine learners, AI integration engineers. Again, a good 3-day weekend and it's done. You get AI-enhanced cross-generational operating system for your family office, and you're beginning now to have some of the framework of a true AI-centric modern family office. Speed without chaos, structure without bloat, intelligence without complexity. Most systems give you software. No, you want leverage. So yeah, I'm saying this one with a little extra passion because I'm frustrated that so-called advisors and the community are not sharing much of this with you. I guess there's not much money in it. I don't know. This program is incredible. And yes, you are going to have to customize it. You integrate this with NVIDIA's DGX Spark AI supercomputer, a couple of $1,000, getting some customizable AI agents, and putting in some AI native software programs that are cheap, that are going to help you on public and private deals. I got things that could, AI agents that log into my Crunchbase and do all sorts of analytics so I can make smarter decisions. And it's all relatively easy and cheap. It's here right now. I don't know why others aren't talking about it as much. My uniqueness is 2 decades as a family office entrepreneur, traveling the world, knowing thousands of families, having had exits, knowing what it's like to be a public and private markets allocator, creating my own Wyoming-based family office, and now integrating it into what I'm creating as my AI single family office, coordinated for some of my private deals with a HoldCo, and soon to be one of the reasons why I'm going from here to Utah to Wyoming to consider. I may end up going with a private corporation structured somewhere else, but I may consider the private trust company as an option for me and my legacy and my family. And this is all right now, not next year, not 2 years from now. You wait, you're gonna lose. I think the rising generation gets everything that I said. I'm afraid with those with no skin in the game that are a little older and closer to retirement, they're kind of set in their ways. And a lot of principles, like, I guess the world has worked pretty well for you. Why change what has worked? That's the wrong attitude. Most family offices were built for a world that no longer exists. We're in a totally different geopolitical, economic upheaval, which I could go on and on about. And Lord knows, the big one, and Dalio talks about this as well, what his challenges we're going to have here in the US and the world, the relentless march of AI. You got to take advantage of it, profit from it, learn how to integrate it, how to use it. And I'm here to help you. Go to angelorobles.com. Go to angelorobles.com and join my private membership community. Go to membership and join. The information's there. You could read it and reread it, or you could simply decide to act and make a decision. I'm building upwards of 100 families. We have dozens and dozens right now, all around the world. I travel the world, Miami, Palm Beach, LA at the Milken, here in Vegas, Utah. I do love Utah. Wyoming, I'll probably swing by briefly to Montana, off to the Cayman Islands, Vienna. Man, this is happening fast, very fast. You want to be a part of it. Be a part of this proprietary intelligence. Be a part of the connectivity to me. And be a part of what we're building with in-person programming around the world, even when it's intimate, in basically many of the locations that I already noted. Go to angelorobles.com and simply stop waiting. Join today. You can also text me anytime at 203-570-2898. Everyone, I'm Angelo Robles. Thank you all so much.